Kata Mita Aloo Ka Namkeen Potato Sweet Mixture. Hi, hello, vanakkam. Welcome to the recipes. I am Kanchan Jayakam. So dear friends, it's going to be a lovely Diwali dhamaka where we are going to just make it as sweets and savories. So it's also called as Suvaika Samika Diwali. So this is going to be a lovely session of Diwali sweets. Do not miss each and every episode. It comes in 2 languages, Tamil and English. Whichever language you're comfortable with, please choose. Try these sweets and keep us posted. Happy Diwali. Now we're going to see a lovely session of sweet potato mixture or potato sweet mixture. This is otherwise also called as the Kata Mita Namkeen. So let's look into how to do this sweet potato mixture. So here we have the potatoes. Just peel the skin and keep them ready. Now we are going to shred them into tiny pieces. Like it depends on the shredder you're going to use. I'm just using this electric shredder. So can you see we have the evenly shredded potatoes. They are thin and long in size and you can shred it as you wish. Now what we are going to do this, just take these potatoes, put them in little salt and immerse them in nice cold water. Squeeze out the starch and the salt out of it. So what will happen is the gluten and the starch which is making this sticky will just go away with the cold water. So let's do that process right now. Here salt, I put it in cold water. Can you see they are just getting separated nicely. Earlier they were very sticky. Now let's put them to a cloth and strain the water out. Give it a nice press and squeeze the water. See this cold water. If you squeeze it, it will remove the starch, a maximum part of starch. Like we can remove it this way. After squeezing, if you see in the water, you'll be able to see some white color starch. So that is the starch which we are removing from these potatoes, which will enable them to get fried without absorbing much of oil. Now have a look at this. The potatoes are nice and they stand away from each other without sticking. So that's what we did it by using the cold water and salt. Now let's fry them. Press this bell icon and never miss an update from us. First let's heat some ghee. Fry the raisins or dry grapes. See to that the dry grapes get fried nicely and they double in size and they bloat up. So then only they will give a good taste when you are adding to the mixture. See to that they are bloated. Now remove this and then we will add the cashews. Slightly roast the cashews and remove them. Heat a frying pan or whichever pan you are going to fry. I am using a colander here. And this metal colander is what I am using, because if you are going to use any other plastic or other material, what will happen is the moment you put them into hot oil, they will melt. So just to bring it to your notice, I am mentioning here, try to use only a ever silver, a stainless steel or a steel colander. Now just put the potatoes into it. See, it's very simple and easy to handle if you are going to use this kind of a colander. Wait for some time. Keep stirring now and then. Now when the oil sound is gone down and the bubbling has stopped, you can see the potatoes are fried. It's very easy to remove the oil also from the fried potatoes now. So this is a very simple method which you have learned. Do not forget to subscribe to Dosa to Pizza and also try to share this link with your friends, family and relatives so that everybody will enjoy the video and also do this lovely mixture. So now our fried potatoes are ready. Look at this. They are really crispy and very nice. Now let me just shift it to another vessel so that we make this mixing very easy. I am adding some sugar. Sugar, it depends, you can add if necessary, you can add some more, or you can even reduce the amount. Add a pinch of salt, not more than that, and some cardamom powder. Now the roasted cashews and raisins or dry grapes. As mentioned, I am going to just change the container so that it will enable me to mix it very evenly and nicely, and you will also be able to see how it's been done. Do not use any hard ladle or anything to mix the ingredients. So what will happen is they will break. This mixture will break. So you'll have to just softly mix it with the tip of your fingers. I'm just adding sugar now and then so that the sugar is getting spread evenly and it comes completely with all the potatoes. Our lovely Kata Mita mixture is ready to be served. Dosa to Pizza is all about enhancing your taste buds. Do not forget to like this video. Thank you.